Hello students, welcome back. How are you all? Hope everyone is good. Myself Tulu Bhaiji. Today we will going to start a new topic that is from Unit 1, 5th Let's Learn Alphabets. As you all know the alphabets very well, you have learned from the nursery. Means आपने नर्सरी से ये स्मॉल अल्फ़ाबेट्स एंड कैपिटल अल्फ़ाबेट्स लर्न किए हैं तो आपको बहुत इजीली सब चीज़ याद हो चुकी है. So these are the basic for you all. So have a look. Look and see. Small letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. What are these? Small letters. Okay, student. So moving to the second. Tell a word that begins with any letter. Means you have to tell a word and you have to form a letters. For example, okay, T. What is the word? Table. Can animal tell me another word? Yes, tiger. Okay, another word. Can anyone tell me? Come on, you all can think it. It's a T. Yes, and many more words. So, what is the second one? B. B for bat. B. B for ball. B for boy. Yes, very good. What is the third word? C. C for cat. What will be the another word? C for cup. Yes, and yours and my favorite, cake. C-A-K-E, cake. Yes, you can think many words. And what is the fourth one? D for dog. Okay, what will be the another word? Just tell me. Yes, D for drum. D for donkey. Yes. D for girl's favorite, doll, and many words. Okay, student, you can apply these words to any of the letters. Means if you take A, what will be the A? A for apple, A for aeroplane, A for ant. What will be the for E? E for elephant. What will be the for F? F for fan, F for friends, many things. So moving to the third one. Look and see. What are all this? Capital letter. As you all know this. Come on. Read with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, students. So, moving to the next page. What is the fourth one? Arrange the following letters in proper order. Means there I have given a words which is in small letters and you have to write in small letters only, but you have to be in a correct orders. Okay, student, what is the first word is there? D. K, W, A. What is given? D, K, W, A. You have to write in proper order. So first what will come? A. Very good. And the other, next one, D. Very good. And the next one, yes, K. Then W. Very good, student. Very nice. And same for the P2 one. What is given in capital letters? E, J, B, Y, S. See, it's in a wrong form. We have to write in a correct form. So, what will come first? Is A is there? No. Then B is there? Yes, B is there. So we have to write first B. Then C is there? No. Then E is there. So we have to write E. Then F is there? No. Then G, H, I, no. J, yes, J is there. So we'll write J. Then after J, K is there? No. L, no. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Yes, S is there. So we will write S. T, no. U, no. V, no. W, no. X, no. Y, yes, Y is there. So this will be your proper order. So moving to the fifth one, alphabet game. Stand alphabetically according to the first name. Means students, you have to understand it. Whose student's name stand with the first letter of alphabet? They have to stand first. For example, if there are Anita, Isha and Farhan. So, Anita, Isha and Farhan. Anisha start with A. Isha start with E and Farhan start with F. So, which is the first alphabet? A. Yeah, Anita will stand first. And the second one is Isha. Yes, so she will stand second. What is the third one? Farhan. So, he will stand third. Did you understand? Yes. So, we'll move to the sixth one. Look at my card and show a matching card the same letters. Means आपको एक कार्ड दिखाया जाएगा. ओके, फ्रॉम A to Z का एंड सेम लेटर्स के आपके पास भी होंगे. तो जो कार्ड आपको बताया जाएगा आपको उसमें से ही वही सेम लेटर का कार्ड यू हैव टू शो. Moving to the seventh one. Listen to the name of the letters and show its card. For example, B, C, A. Listen to the name. Who is going to announce a letter? And whatever letter he announced, just show your card that you are having. For example, if someone announced B, so you have to just search your B card and you have to show it to announcer. So, moving to the eighth one. Look at a small letter on this card and show the capital letter. Means students, you have to show capital letters. Look at the small letters and you have to show the capital letters. Means if there is a small letter A, so you have to search a capital A and you have to show your card. Did you all understand? Means आपके पास capital letters के A to Z है एंड स्मॉल लेटर्स के सामने वाले फ्रेंड के पास लेटर्स के A to Z है. अगर उन्होंने स्मॉल लेटर्स का A बताए तो आपको जल्दी से अपना कैपिटल लेटर्स में से A निकाल के शो करना है. मीन्स आपको मैच करना है. सेम आपको B के साथ भी वैसे ही करना है, सेम Z के साथ भी करना है. कम ऑन, हैव अ लुक हियर. स्मॉल A कैपिटल A, स्मॉल B कैपिटल B, स्मॉल C कैपिटल C, स्मॉल D capital D, small e capital E, small f capital F, small g capital G, small h capital H, small I capital I, small j capital J, small k capital K, small l capital L, small m capital M, small n capital M, small o capital O, small p capital P, small q capital Q, small r capital R, small s capital S, small t capital T, small u capital U, small v capital V, small w capital W, small x capital X, small y capital Y and small z capital Z. As you all know, you have to match it. So moving to the 10th one. Match the capital letters with the small letters. Student, this is very easy. Here there is a small letters and here there is a capital letters. You have to match both. So here we go. Small h, where is the capital H? Yes, very good. Small m, where is the capital M? Yes. Small w, where is the capital W? Yes. Small I, where is the capital I? Here. Small f, where is the capital F? Yes. Small p, capital P? Yes. Small n, where is the capital N? No. Small e, where is the capital E? Here. Small n, where is the capital N? Yes. So you have to match these capital letters with the small letters. So moving to the 11th one. Word game. Tell a word that does not start with the first letter of your first name. If you make a mistake, you will be out of the game. Yeah, very interesting. See students, आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ मिलके ये बोल सकते हो, ये गेम्स प्ले कर सकते हो. दैट इज़ वेरी नाइस. मीन्स समझो आपका नेम स्टार्ट होता है अनीता. ओके, सो आपको आपका जो फर्स्ट लेटर वर्ड क्या है, अनीता का ए. सो आपको वो ए यूज़ नहीं करना. ए के बाद आपका क्या आएगा, एन. तो एन वर्ड यूज होगा तो आपको एन से कोई भी वर्ड बना देगा. जैसा एन से नेस्ट बोल सकते हो, एन से नथिंग बोल सकते हो. ओके, एंड फॉर एग्जाम्पल सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको देती हूँ. आफिया. ओके, आफिया का स्टार्टिंग वर्ड क्या है, ए. लेकिन उनका सेकेंड वर्ड क्या है, ए अगेन. सो वो ए वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अगर उन्होंने अपना स्टार्टिंग वर्ड का ए यूज़ कर लिए तो देन शी विल बी आउट. फॉर सम एग्जाम्पल्स मैं और आपको बता देती हूँ. जैसे फरहाना. ओके, फरहाना स्टार्ट विथ एफ. वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट्स. तो हमें एफ का स्टार्टिंग वर्ड नहीं लेना है. फरहाना का सेकेंड वर्ड क्या रहेगा, ए. सो फिर ए फॉर एंट, ए फॉर एरोप्लेन. ओके, this must be very interesting. Try to play with your friends. So students, I think you all have enjoyed by learning this again basic things. So till then, take care, stay home, stay safe.